beautiful morning. Gonna try and get these kids a little broom or something. Chuck a live out just in case something bigger comes along. Never caught anything real big in this area, but we're gonna give it a go. Then we're gonna check our pots. So, yeah, fingers crossed we'll get something to take home. Yep. Excited.
Dad, what if I catch a big crab on my hook too?
Oh, it does happen. Ooh.
I think it should be
Right,
a shark.
come up the front here, come up the front here.
Maybe it's a shark.
It's not a shark, Bobby.
Sharks don't live in this water, hey Dad. I got something decent here.
Yeah, it's screaming off. I don't know what's going on. Hold on up here. Yep, that's him. It's all you. You're on your
I
own.
think it's a big, oh, that's really big. I just saw it before.
Yeah, keep lifting.
See, look how big that is.
Big Grunter, yes. Good job, bro. Oh, yeah, that's good for where we are.
I got a big decent one.
Here, Bobby, hold this GoPro down. Oh,
It's something splashy one. There you go, Dad. I got him.
whoa, hold on to him. That's him, mate. Good job.
There you go. I'm gonna pull you. How do you break that?
Hey, look at this.
Hey, Hux. Good catch.
Huxley.
Woo! I knew. Whoa.
You right?
Holy! Are you okay?
No.
Stop crying. He has hook in his mouth.
So we've just been here about 5 minutes and the young fella just gone on a bloody nice little Grunter.
No, it's a big
Probably a bit over 40, I'd say. And
45?
yeah, I tried to get up the front of the boat and grabbed it and I just absolutely axed myself. Hit me shin on the bloody steel seat down below, nearly broke it. Jeez, I'm in some pain. But anyway, we've got a good fish on board, so great start to the morning.
Yeah, a big
Let's have a look at it.
Doesn't matter if we...
Yeah, that's bloody good for where we are.
Yeah, it's a big fish. And that...
Yes. Filming it.
Yes.
So, Huxley. Yeah, he's about 43 centimetres. So, that's pretty good, eh, Hux?
Yeah.
And I think we should let him go.
Aww.
Yeah, we've got fish at home.
But I wanted to eat that.
No, we're going to eat the fish at home. Here. You want to hold it and get a photo? That's it, look at me. Lift your head up, hold the fish down a little bit. Hold your hands down. No, you stand up so we can see your face. Yeah, that's it. That's sun. Look over here, that's him. Look over here. Yeah.
And now I take a photo.
Good fish, Huxley. Alright, we better be quick.
I want to keep him.
No, we're not keeping him, we're going to let him go.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because
He's too
we've got those big finger mark at home that we caught. We still haven't, we've got to eat that.
Smile.
And someone else could catch this, mate. Some other young little kid can come down and catch him. Look at the camera, cool, quick.
Yep.
Righto, lower him in. Nice and slow. That's it. Oh, and off he goes. Awesome.
He's a fast fish.
See, how does that feel to let him go?
Good.
Good.
Because it might have been a mummy and then it could make...
So we caught him on the dirty old prawn. Yeah, it could be a mummy, could be a daddy. Either way, they all breed.
If it's a mummy...
All right, let's get another one. This is on a live prawn. Alright, second fish for the day.
What is it?
It's not big, but it was caught on a big live prawn. I don't know.
It's the first one we caught. Oh, it's a big
finger
fish.
mark. Huxley, you were right.
It's a finger mark.
You were right.
Yeah, I was right. I know that you're catching.
Here he comes. Whoa!
Too small. Too small.
Oh, definitely too small. Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Ooh. I said too small first.
Here we go. Just
Clutch noise, hey Dad.
Darling. Alright, so I got this finger mark on a bloody, geez, a big prawn like that. He's just absolutely swallowed it whole. Swallowed the hook, but it's just in the roof of his mouth, so we'll get that out, no worries, and we'll let him go.
Can I see?
Whoop.
Can I see? Lucky you're holding on to the thing.
And that was on a livey, so I better get a couple more out. And that was
a finger mark. We've never put one.
Seems to be a few of these around lately. That's pretty good to see. So anyway, let's quickly get this hook out. Keep filming my darling.
And so you know that the finger marks, they have the little dot.
Yeah, well, they have the mark, which looks like a finger mark. And just like that, the hook come out nice and easy.
Very, very easy.
Gotta love these little suicide J hooks. Perfect. So let's let him go. Come over here, my darling, so we can see him in the water. Off he goes, awesome.
He gently swam away from us and then he started to go fast. Yeah.
Yep. So that was on a live prawn. Now we'll chuck a couple of live fish on and see what else we can come up with. Hopefully the daughter can catch a fish now.
I catch a single
You'll be right. We'll get you something soon. We've been fishing about 20 minutes. The kids are already up me. They want the shade up, so you better put it up. Oh, fresh shade. Bit of crispy present. What do you reckon? Better?
Better.
You can sit down this end if you want. There's a bit more shade. Yeah. I need a bit of baiting. Need something to get them bloody fish active again.
That's what I'm trying to catch some bait.
Early morning. Early bird gets a worm or some crap like that. But we've been coming out super early lately and it's starting to pay off. So especially on these warmer days, I found. Yeah, come on.
Is something decent here?
I don't know. Oh, it's not.
Hi, Brim.
What the hell? You filming down?
Oh, it's big. Yeah. It's big though.
You're kidding me.
Tiny Brim.
Yeah. Had a little potty mullet on this one, and I don't think this brim tried to take it. He might have, but he just might have been unlucky and then just jagged himself as he swam past because it went right under his shin.
Ready, steady, go! Bye bye.
Unreal. How's that work? Oh.
Anything?
Big mussels. Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
No, it's never a terrible day.
We can't take anything home.
Doesn't matter. We could have taken that fish home, but we chose not to. It's just about the memories. Every day you wake up's a good day. Right, so out of all them bloody pots, all we got is this one little Jenny.
Which is a girl.
Which is going back, but yeah, that's what you get.
Daddy, can
I didn't have high hopes for this area, but everywhere else is rough as guts at the moment, so yeah. Next week we'll get straight back into them.
Can I let it go? I'm a great filmer.
Whoops. Right, there she goes. Goodbye. Alright. We got a couple of fish, so.
We got some couple
of good fish, so good little morning, I suppose. I can't complain. Anyway, we're gonna head home and wash the boat and do some editing. Catch us later. Say bye.
Catch you. Bye.